Good morning. Today we are going to Thruxton, where there are a load of Elgrands meeting from the Owners Club and others, I hope. Thruxton do every third Sunday of the month down in Hampshire. They do a meeting where all makes and all sorts of vehicles can meet up, and we just chat, have coffee and all the rest of it. So I'll see you. Well, I haven't done that much recording actually because I've been so busy with people coming to say hi. If you came to see and said hi. Hi. There she is, dirty as you like. Dirty girl. The old diesel heater, look, I'll just turn that on. Because it is freezing and Mason's sat in there, don't want him being cold, bless him. It's going to be a bit smelly now while that starts up. There we are. Old YouTube playing. God, you can hear that. What is that? Oh yeah, that. I got a coffee machine in there now, that. There's a diesel heater blowing away. You'll be nice and warm in a minute, mate. this is lovely, isn't it? Can I video it? Is that alright?
Crack on, mate.
Did it come with it, or did you, have you had a spray?
No, this,
I mean, that is
original
gorgeous. Look at the
It's
chaise
almost
longue.
like a G4 paint, isn't it?
it's a bit of
these
sparkle
seats
to it,
on
isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Actually, don't look too close.
If
'cause
you
it ain't
polish
great.
it, it'll come up great.
Mate, this is lovely. Isn't it? It's really lovely.
There's the only man in the world who doesn't clean his Elgrand, do you know that?
I can't believe these chaise longues.
Chaise longues, don't you know?
It's incredible. How long have you got it?
Well, actually, nearly a year now.
Nearly a year.
Yeah.
I mean, even the wood finish is incredible, isn't it?
Fuck
Did you
me,
do
I'm
it yourself?
Yeah.
I did it all. It was me.
Every bit of it. Well,
Took me ages.
Oh, mate, it is lovely. What's this?
I'm glad my wife's not here, because she'd say, that's a proper van.
yeah.
It is good though,
Not
isn't
that
it?
shit you've put in it.
I mean, this is proper luxury, isn't it?
It is.
This is really nice.
See my fridge.
Oh, let's have a look. Jesus Christ.
It's a chest freezer.
That's like the whole...
Yeah, well,
Yeah, man, that.
so all I do, I half fill it for bottles of water,
Yeah, yeah. To keep
freeze it
Yeah.
before I go, and then that's it.
That is a brilliant idea.
That's now. That's
So you
now
don't actually
fridge.
need to leave it.
It's a fridge for 2 weeks with no power.
Yeah.
No power
Brilliant
at all.
idea. Brilliant idea.
Don't need any power.
What, so you bought it without this kit in it?
Yeah. It was,
So
it
it
was
was just a
minibus.
shell, it was a minibus.
It was a minibus with 9 seats, I think.
Alright,
So I
okay.
took
Oh,
those out,
brilliant.
sold them because they're nice leather
Yeah,
recliners,
yeah.
and that paid for pretty much everything else. Built the bed. I like this.
Oh, mate, that is brilliant.
That's pretty cool.
Bottom. The only bit of woodwork I've ever done, but it works. You know, it's nice. And
Right.
underneath, there's an amazing amount of room underneath, all from the back. Just sliding boxes.
Yeah, yeah. That's really... It's kind of plush, isn't it? It's really...
Yeah.
It's quite plush. It
Yeah.
feels...
My wife would love this.
Yeah.
My mate reckons it's like from a 70s porn film. And it kind of appeals to me.
Have you got any music to go with it when you get in? Yeah.
Music, got videos.
Old rock and roller.
Yeah, I need to change it. Anyways,
Oh, what are you going to do?
this is because I have 2 kids, and yeah,
Can't all fit in.
it's not safe
Yeah,
for them. Even when we were told that yes, it was
Yeah.
safe, but they're not. So I'm thinking on moving this section to the back
Right.
and fitting the old, well, the original middle seat in.
Right, like I've got. Put the middle seat
Yeah.
back in. Yeah, yeah. Right, so we're in the van. And I'm going to have something to eat. There's the old... you see the display on the diesel heater there? I don't know if you can. Oh, how good the lighting is. Blowing out good in there. Alright. I can hear all the engines revving. Well, I'm going to have some lunch. I don't know where Naomi's gone. So what do you think so far of our first ever car meet-up?
Yeah. I've met some, they call themselves the Elgrand widows. So some nice...
Say hi to them.
nice, long-suffering wives and girlfriends of van owners.
Brilliant.
It's freezing out there.
So, this diesel heater, finally got it fixed. I've had so much hassle with it. I bought it off eBay. It was about 100 quid, something like that. Very cheap. It was a 2 kilowatt, so, I mean, that's boiling. It's no good getting a 5 for this little van. First thing that went wrong was a glow plug. Replaced that, it worked. Then it brought up another fault, so I replaced the motherboard. Then it brought up another fault, which was E3, which is some kind of voltage issue. Eventually, I've put in some 8 AWG gauge wires. Perfect, absolutely perfect. So if you get an E3, which has voltage issues, I would suggest looking at your wires. I had a little thin one on there, which was no good at all. With the replacement now, it is perfect. It's toasty. Are you toasty? Toasty? So yeah, definitely diesel heater. Absolute must. Very, very warm, very nice.
This video is sponsored by Diesel Heater.
Great to see all the cars. I mean, I haven't had time to go round as much as I wanted to and show you all the vehicles, Elgrands, etc.
It seems they get here
Very
a bit
early,
earlier,
yeah.
'cause, it's lunchtime now and people are starting to file out.
Yeah, so I got so carried away with talking to people and looking at other vans, I didn't film much, so sorry about that. Nice to meet all of you, Elgrand owners. Give me a thumbs up. I'll be a bit more organised hopefully next time. So yeah, and I will do a van tour at some point with all the bits and pieces that are now finished on it, and post that as soon as I can.